Hello, Rahul. How are you?
Hi, Julie. I am fine. And you?
I'm fine too.
What foods do you like most?
I like traditional Bangladeshi foods, for example, fish and rice. I especially prefer hot and spicy curries. I also enjoy a variety of kebabs and pizzas, and, of course, chocolates. I love chocolates.
What are some foods you dislike eating?
Well, not many, I guess, I'm a foodie and love trying new foods, so to be honest enough, I think I can't say I dislike eating some specific kind of foods.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can. Well, my family members say I am a good cook indeed. I really enjoy cooking for my family, although I don't get to cook very often. I never miss cooking for them on special occasion.
Do you prefer your meals more at home or at a restaurant?
I prefer it at home. I really enjoy my meals at home with my family. I particularly enjoy the family talk we have over our dinner. It gives me a great chance to interact with the people I love most while I'm having my meal.
Have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I have tried a lot of different cuisines like Italian, Mexican, Japanese, Chinese, etc.
What kind of new food you have tried recently?
Recently, I went on a holiday to Thailand and I tried the street food over there. I don't remember the name of the dish, but it had noodles, prawn, and vegetables.
What kind of foreign foods are popular in your country?
In my country, most popular cuisines are Italian and Chinese. Most of the people like to eat pizzas and noodles when they eat outside.
Do you like fruits and vegetables?
Yes, I like fruits and vegetables.
How often do you eat fruits and vegetables?
I eat fruits and vegetables daily. In fact, seasonal fruits and vegetables are a part of my daily diet.
Why do you think fruits and vegetables are important for us?
I think they are important because they have essential vitamins and minerals, which we must eat to be healthy.
What kind of fruit do you prefer?
I like all kinds of fruits, but I prefer seasonal fruits because they are readily available and cheap.
What fruits and vegetables do you especially like to eat?
I like to eat all fruits and vegetables, but I especially like the okra and broccoli among the veggies, and my favorite fruits are watermelon and mango.
Do you like the same fruits and vegetables today as you did when you were a child?
As a child, my favorite fruit used to be grapes, but now I like mango and watermelon more. Also, I wasn't very fond of vegetables as a child. Now I love all kinds of vegetables and fruits.
Is it easy to buy fruits and vegetables where you live?
Yes, it is convenient to buy fruits and vegetables where I live. I live in a city and there are many fruit and vegetable sellers who have stalls in many parts of the city. We also have a fruit and vegetable section at the grocery store.
Do you think people should eat more fruits and vegetables?
Yes, I think people should eat more fruits and vegetables, as they contain essential vitamins and nutrients needed for a healthy body and mind. Also, having a healthy diet makes us feel more energetic.
How much fruits and vegetables do you think a person needs to stay healthy?
I think fruits and vegetables are needed as a part of our everyday diet. Many dietitians suggest that we should eat fruits and vegetables of at least 5 different colors every day.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, bye. Take care of your health.
Bye. See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video. Subscribe.